In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where comments are not loading on your Instagram. So if you're having issues finding or seeing comments, the first thing we need to do is just open up the settings application on your phone. Scroll down to Wi-Fi and click on this, and just ensure you have a stable and strong connection to the internet. Once you've done that, come back over to the settings page and scroll down and click on General. Then select iPhone storage and scroll down until you see the Instagram application and click on this. Click on Offload app and select Offload app. Now don't worry, this won't remove any of your data, and once it's finished we can click on reinstall app, and this is essentially just going to update the application to ensure we're running the latest version. Now once this is finished, you can open back up the Instagram application and you can go over to your comments and check to see if that solved your issue. Now sometimes if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of your comments, you may have some comments that have been blocked or hidden, and you can press the button at the bottom to go and unhide those comments. Now you can't see this on my screen as I don't have any comments hidden, but this is one feature to be aware of. Next thing you'll need to do is come over to your profile on Instagram, click on the navigation bar on the top right hand side, scroll down and click on comments from the list, click on blocked comments from, and just ensure that you don't have any blocked commenters in this list. This can be another reason why you're unable to see comments. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.